Hello friends, my name's Rachel and today we are doing the Ipsy Glam bag unboxing review, whatever you want to call it. Ipsy is a subscription like makeup, skincare, hair product kind of bag, and for $10 a month you can get 5 sample sizes. Sorry for the crinkling, I'm messing with the bag. You get 5 sample sizes of different products. So this is my first month trying it. I did the Glam Bag Plus unboxing, which is 5 full-size products for $25 a month. So I'm doing both just to kind of try it out. So it comes in a nice bag like this. Once a month. On the 2nd of every month you can peek and see what they're sending you, so I knew what they were sending me. And then you can add add-ons to what they send you as well. For the sample sizes, it's $3 per add-on. You can add up to 3. And then if you were to add full-size ones to your full-size Glam Bag Plus, those are $12 to add on, depending on the products they offer for the add-ons. So they send you a cute makeup bag. Look how cute that is. It's textured every month with the 5 products in it. Look how cute. It says Ipsy. I can hold it the right way. Oh. So let's see. And then on the inside, it's pink. So I think that green and pink is really cute. It gives you a card with like the kind of theme for the month. Let's see. It says, August 2019, Bear Yourself. This month use your 5 Glam Bag picks to celebrate and highlight all the things you love, parentheses, or are learning to love about you. Let's see. We think you're gonna love your 5 Glam Bag picks. Don't forget to leave a review. We'll use that info to make your next bag even more personalized. So, first thing they sent was this really pretty makeup brush. I'm still learning how to focus with this new camera. I got a new camera. So really pretty makeup brush. It's kind of sparkly. It's got like some green little crystals there. They say it's emerald green, but it's more of a teal to me. Let's see what they say about this brush. This SLMISSGLAM E61 Angled Shadow Brush. Use this angled shadow brush to apply eyeshadow all over your lids. Blah, blah, blah. Wanna go smoky? You've got the perfect tool for blending dark shadows onto the outer corners of your eyes. So that's nice. It's really soft bristles. Let's see what else. And then the next one is the PIXI by PETRA. I like the PIXI brand. I get this stuff at Target all the time. They have these really nice like eyeshadow cream sticks that are really easy in the morning to just like go. So the PIXI by Petra Fresh Face Blush in Peach Parfait. Dip a fluffy blush brush into Peach Parfait. Tap off any excess. Smile big, see the apples of your cheeks, swirl the blush onto them and blend in a circular motion. So I kind of already like did my like foundation-y stuff. Didn't put concealer on. So that's one thing. I'll have to go grab that. But I wanted to like put this on camera and like see how it looks and everything. I'll open it up and we'll swatch it. Yeah, extreme close-up. Notice didn't put concealer. Well, let's see. So it comes in like a little case like that. Screw off lid there. PIXI by Petra. It's upside down. PIXI by Petra. So we'll swatch that. Let's see. Oh, that's really pretty. Kind of subtle. Let's see what it says about the color. This peachy pink blush has a light golden sheen and it blends easily and evenly, so there's no streakiness no matter how quickly you blush up. Their words, not mine. So we'll put that on in a little bit here too. Alright. Getting the concealer put on there.
Table. Hey guys. Intermission while Rachel does her concealer. I'm Mari. And Rachel will be right back. Bye.
So got some concealer on. Concealer on. Got the blush, got the brush. Blush brush. Next they sent me the, I dropped it. Next they sent me the Eva NYC Satin Dream Leave-In Cream with Caravis and Argan Oil. Detangles, smooths, and moisturizes for all hair types. So that's what that kind of looks like. See if we can focus in. had to charge my battery on my camera for a second. Where we left off, I believe, was I was getting that in focus, which I think I already did before. So anyway, that's the leave-in cream for your hair. So what they say about this is squeeze a dime-sized amount into your palms, more if needed, and apply evenly from the mid-shaft of damp hair to the ends. Comb through using a wide-toothed comb. Style as usual. So it says it's really lightweight. It has like argan oil, avocado oil, blah 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 blah. Detangles, softens, and tames frizz. It smells good. I'm gonna put it just on my hand. I guess I could have put it in my hair. It smells really good. I can't really describe what it smells like though. Almost kind of like coconutty, but it smells really good, like a caramel, like it smells good. Anyway, excited to try that. I usually use this kind of stuff on like damp hair. I don't remember if it said that. No, oh wait, yeah, on damp hair. But excited to try that. I don't wash my hair every single day, so we'll try that another day. And let's see, and then I'm gonna choke. And then they sent me the BELIF Moisturizing Eye Balm, which looks like that. It's like a teeny tiny little thing there. Literally a sample, because like look, it's the bottom, so it's like not even this whole tube, it's like rounded inside. Formula is spiked with comfrey leaf and pennywort herb to flood your under eye area with hydration for 26 hours. After applying a regular moisturizer, use your ring finger, not your middle finger like I did in my last video, to gently pat a pea-sized dab of this cream all around your eye area. So I did actually use this morning because I did open the bag and like took the sealants off everything just for like time purposes, and it's really soft. Like I literally only used like that much on my under eye, and it blended and absorbed like so nicely, which this smells good too. It is like a really kind of herby smell from that like pennywort, I guess, that they mentioned, the comfrey leaf and the pennywort. So it's really natural smelling, which is good. So I'm excited to try that. It's supposed to like depuff and make things brighter and whatnot. Excited for that one. And then this last one they sent me is the SUVA Beauty eyeshadow in the color Barbecue. Guys, I'm really trying to get things to focus here. There we go. And the color, well, it doesn't say barbecue, it says BBQ, but I read that as barbecue. And it's this really pretty, like kind of purpley tone. And it's shimmery and beautiful, so I thought we'd put that on my eyes today with the brush they sent. And we'll see what they say about this one. Eyeshadow and BBQ. Easy to apply, opaque, water resistant. Honestly, what more could you want in an eyeshadow? This cream powder hybrid formula delivers all of that and then some. Plus, this plum foil finish shade is so fun for all your end of summer looks, such as going to a barbecue. I added that. Dip your ring finger or a damp shadow brush into the shadow, then press eyeshadow onto your lid. So it's more like a pressing motion than like a sweeping, I think. So I'll just blend it out with the brush. So yeah, so let's do that. I already put like my foundation, I put concealer on. So let's just get into it. See if I can do this with, you like how I close this eye to do this eye? Is it going on? I might have to go do this in the mirror and then come back because I can't tell. Oh yeah, okay, so that's the color. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand too, just for, yeah, see, you can see it a lot better. Oh, you guys, I forgot to turn my light on. Oh, sorry about that. When I had to go charge my battery, I turned this off and I forgot to turn it back on, so anyway, so that's the color. So I'm gonna actually go put this on in the mirror and then I'll come back and then I'll put the blush on too off camera because I think I'm gonna need that mirror. So hold tight. Okay, I'm back. So I put the eyeshadow on. I put the blush just on one cheek. See if I can get in close. I'm gonna use my brush and it blended really well. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, so there's the unblushed cheek and here's the blushed cheek. So I thought I'd just do the other cheek on camera real quick. It blended like super well. Smile. So I really like this one. It's got, like it said, it has like the golden hues in it. Yeah, so I'm really happy with that because this is like, you know, even though it's a sample size, I feel like it's a really nice size for use. Like I feel like there's a lot in there, unless the like palette is, I don't remember what it's called. Unless it's like really thin in there, you know. But I really like it. It's really nice. Let's see, and then the eyeshadow. I really like that eyeshadow too. I have, you know, green eyes, but my friend Megan always tells me I have blue eyes. They're not blue, Megan. I think the purple kind of looks good with that. I used the mascara, so I got this Thrive Cosmetics mascara in my Plus bag, my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, the liquid lash extensions. I used it yesterday. I used it just now. It definitely does, I feel like, make your lashes longer, but I kind of like more like full lashes, and this, I feel like it separates them too much. Like, it doesn't clump them together, but it just, I don't know. I like them more like fluffy lashes, I guess, like more volume in between. I don't know. But I'm still gonna give it a go and see how much I like it still. And then last thing I'm gonna do for my makeup today, before I go to work, is the SUVA Beauty highlighter, liquid chrome illuminating drops. I got this in my Glam Bag Plus as well. And if you watch that one, I will not use as much as I did when I swatched it on my hand the first time, because a little teeny tiny bit goes a little long way. So this is how I usually just apply it in my little blender. Just kind of like up there, a little bit up there from like the residual. What's everyone got going on today? Today's my late day that I go into work a little bit later. Tonight, since I'm not going to be posting this today, so no one's going to see, not that my boss watches my videos, but tonight is my boss's surprise 50th birthday party after work, so we're closing up a little bit early. That she doesn't know about, which is good because she's in the other office today, so she won't notice. So yeah, I really have been liking that highlighter. Really like it. And that is kind of it. So yeah, that's the Glam Bag for the month of August. Again, real pretty. Excited for tonight. I think I'm just gonna go with this purple eyeshadow. I'm not gonna do like any color underneath it. Just kind of play up the lids. And yeah, that's my look. So if anyone wants to try the Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus, I'm gonna put my referral code down below, and you can click on that. And I don't know, I think it just gives me points. It might give you like some points too. I can't remember what it does, but you know, if you feel like clicking on it, please do. And thank you so much for watching. I also do Stitch Fix videos. I got one coming this week, so if you're interested in Stitch Fix, check that out. I'm putting all the stuff in the cute bag they sent me. Yeah, so again, thanks for watching. Like this video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, that's okay. You know, subscribe if you could. And I hope you guys have a super great day. I'll see you next time.